Ini I separated naHabi in 2020. Tine vana vakomana vedu 3. We married in 2009. So after divorce, he suggested I stay with the kids, and it was fine. And I continued to stay in the same city tiri kunze kwenyika. Last year I decided to move on, and I told him I'm leaving the city, and he accepted. But after 3 months, ndakune imwe province, vana vakatanga kurwara, as like they were possessed. Vachiti tiendesei kuna baba vedu. I was left with no option. I had to send my kids back, broken inside my heart, as if I've lost all my children. I almost lost it because thinking this man divorced me when my last son was 3 months old. I couldn't bear it in my heart, so I was heartbroken. I went away kusina network for 3 months until my family started looking for me. At that point I just needed space because before I left, I advised my family what I was going through, but nobody listened. So I felt like the black sheep of the family until my brother started looking for me. I went through a lot. I actually had a mild stroke. Thanks to medical attention, I'm recovering. But like it's not enough, I came back in peace with everyone. I tried to reach for my ex to know how the kids are. He told me they are all fine. When I try to talk to my children, he doesn't let me talk to them. I called maid yake ndoyataimbova nayo tiri tese in his absence, but she's saying they don't want to talk to me. Only the 4-year-old talks to me. So my question is, what is really transpiring? Is he manipulating the children or something else is happening? When I call to talk to the children, he always says he's at work. If I ask why he's doing that, he don't give me any answer. And most of my SMS, he don't even dare to reply. Help me, which step should I take in this kind of a situation, guys? Thanks, Kuneva Chabatsira.